The Song of the Spring, four-winged albatross chick transforms virtuoso bass into beautiful pop sound. Text by Andy Yellen and Caitlin. Believe it or not, it is happening and it is no ordinary four-winged albatross chick, egg without chick. The song has been floating around the internet for a while, but its reception has increased exponentially since, and is still increasing, thanks to this video. Every obsessed bass fan can not only listen to the chick converts their favorite bass into a beautiful pop sound but also hear the voice of this chick who has made four-winged bass her full-time job. A video that deserves an award.